Hello children, today we are going to see how to count change. See the question given here. You gave 40 rupees, choose the correct change. Now what you will do is, first thing is that you will see what is the item given and how much does it cost. So here you can see friendship belt is given and it cost rupees 32. Can you see that? Okay, and you gave 40 rupees to the shopkeeper. That means something you are going to get back. So how much is the amount that you are going to get back? That is the change. So here what shall we do? 40 minus 32. So here 0 minus 2 is not possible. So from 4 we will borrow. So 4 becomes 3. You will write here 1 and read the number as 10 minus 2, that is 8, and 3 minus 3, that is 0. Okay, now from the options given, let's count where is the correct change given. So here let's see this one first of all, that is you can see 1 rupee, see the amount as well as the symbol, and before decimal point you will write the number for rupees, after decimal point the number for paise. 1 rupee, that means 1.00. Second one, again you can see 1 rupee coin, so 1.00. Third one, you can see again it is 1 rupee coin, so 1.00. And the fourth one, you can see the amount as 50 and you can read this as paise. Now paise part, that is after decimal point, it is to be written, right? So here I need to write 50 after decimal point, before decimal point I will write 0. Now let's add them. So what we are getting is, this is 5 and now this is 3 rupees, that is 3 rupees and 50 paise, right? Let's count for the other option given. So here you can see 1 rupee, I can write it as 1.00. Now you can see 5 and it is written rupee, that is 5.00. The third coin you can see the symbol of rupee and the amount given as 2. So you can write it as 2.00. Now let's add up. So you will have it as 8. Fine. Here you had the answer as 8. So where shall we put a tick mark? That is on this option. Rupees 8 you are going to get back. Now come to the second question. You gave 40 rupees and once again you are going to choose the correct change. So what is the cost of the item given? You can see that it is 8 rupees and 50 paise. Yes, and you gave 40 rupees. So what shall we do? 40 rupees minus 8.50. Fine. And as you know, rupees is to be written before decimal point. After decimal point we will write the number for paise. So 40 rupees I can write it as 40.00 minus. First I will place the decimal point and the cost is 8 rupees 50 paise. So 50 I need to write after decimal point. Before decimal point this is 8. Now let's subtract. So this is 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5 is not possible. So we need to borrow. So 4 becomes now 3. 0, this 0 we will write 9 above that. Here we will write 1. Read the number as 10 minus 5, that is 5, and decimal point at its place. Now this is 9 minus 8, that is 1, and 3 minus 0, that is 3. So what is the change you should get back? That is 31 rupees and 50 paise. Fine. Now let's see where is that given. Now for the first option, this one, that is a 20 rupee note, rupees 20. So I can write this as 20.00. Then this is 5 rupee coin. So I will write decimal point first. 5 I need to write before decimal point, after decimal point 00. The second coin is also for 5 rupee. Again I can write it as 5.00. The third coin, you can see this is the amount 50 and this is the paise given. Paise you need to write after decimal point. So this is 50 and now this will be 0, right? So when you add up, what happens here? Let's see how much we are getting. This is 0, this is 5 and now this is 5 and 5, 10. So 1 carry over and 2 plus 1, that is 3. That is you are getting rupees 30 and 50 paise. Now let's see for the second option given. You can see 20 rupee currency note. Fine. So I can write 20 as 20.00. Then you can see the note given for 10 rupees. You can very well read there. So 10 rupees I need to write as 10.00. Then after you can see the coin, that is 50 paise. Paise I need to write after decimal point and before decimal point, that is 0. And the fourth coin, that is 1 rupee coin. So I need to write as 1.00. Let's add up. So what we have is, this is 0, this is 5, this is 1 and 2 plus 1, that is 3. So where it matches? Yes. So where should I put a tick mark? That is at the second option, right? Now see the third question given here. You gave 40 rupees and the cost of the item is 15 rupees. So let's subtract first of all. So 40 minus 15, 0 minus 5 not possible. Let's borrow from 4. 4 becomes 3. Write here 1. Read the number as 10. Minus 5 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. So rupees 25 you should get back. Now here for the first option, what we are getting is, this is 10 rupee note. So you can write it as 10.00. Second one, you can see the coin of 5 rupees. So 5 rupees, that is 5.00 and you can see 2 rupee coin, that is 2.00. So when you add up, what do we get? This is 0, this is 0, this is 7 and this is 1, rupees 17. Okay, now let's see for the second option given. So here you can see the currency note of 20 rupees. So 20 you can write it as 20.00. Here you can see 2 rupees. So before decimal point 2, after decimal point 00, again you can see the coin of 2 rupees given, that is 2.00 and the third one, that is you can see 1 rupee coin. Okay, so I can write it as 1.00. Let's add up. So what we have is 0, 0, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1 is 5 and this is 2. That is rupees 25. So which is the correct option here? That is the third one, second option, right?